Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some math problem posted on LinkedIn. And credits to Master Rasha Akbari for sharing this wonderful question. So let's start. Here's the question. Simplify the expression below. So we have 2 plus 2 times 2 factorial plus 3 times 3 factorial plus all the way up to 15 times 15 factorial all over 13 factorial plus 14 factorial. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. And if you're ready, here's the solution. First thing to do is to rewrite the numerator like this. So we have 2 times, this 2 becomes 3 minus 1, this 3 becomes 4 minus 1, and so on and so forth until this 15 becomes 16 minus 1. Next, recall that if we have n multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, it is equal to n factorial. Using this property, we can now rewrite our numerator like this. So 2 factorial multiplied by 3 is simply 3 factorial minus 2 factorial multiplied by 1 is 2 factorial. 3 factorial multiplied by 4 is 4 factorial, and 3 factorial multiplied by 1 is simply 3 factorial. After that, we have 5 minus 1 multiplied by 4 factorial. That's why we have 5 factorial minus 4 factorial, and so on and so forth until we reach 15 factorial times 16, or simply 16 factorial, minus 15 factorial times 1, or simply 15 factorial. Now, at this point, we can now cancel out 3 factorial, positive 3 factorial, and negative 3 factorial. Next, we can cancel also 4 factorial and negative 4 factorial, and so on and so forth. 5 factorial to 5 factorial right here, and so on and so forth until we cancel out 15 factorial and positive 15 factorial before 16 factorial. This is what we call telescoping sum. Now, don't forget that 2 factorial is simply 2. Therefore, we can also cancel out 2 and 2 factorial. Now, this becomes 16 factorial all over 13 factorial multiplied by 1 plus 14. Why is that? Because 14 factorial can be written as 14 times 13 factorial. So we can factor out 13 factorial. So we have 13 factorial multiplied by 1 plus 14. Now, simplify. We have 16 factorial all over 13 factorial times 15. Now, 16 factorial can be written as 16 times 15 times 14 times 13 factorial. At this point, we can cancel out 15 on the numerator and 15 on the denominator. Also, we can cancel out 13 factorial. Now, what's left is 16 times 14. Therefore, the value of our expression is simply 16 times 14 or 224. And we're done.